Hey guys, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. Something a little different. I've got Skinny Engineer775 here.
Not quite. I'm trying to catch him.
Man, you look great.
Thank you
So
very
as soon as he
much.
walked around the corner, I was like, I haven't seen him in a
Who
while.
are you?
Yeah, I was like, this crazy guy's walked up. But not first aid related, but definitely preparedness related. So we did a whole house generator.
How's Mr. Sue? But it is propane or natural gas. It's actually set up for natural gas from the factory. So, yep. Brackets off. Yes, absolutely.
You did a whole house generator.
We finally got it in. We had a problem getting a gas company to install the gas line. I mean, how long's it been? 2 months?
Definitely.
3 months?
I think it's been about 2 months.
We
crazy.
forgot to do the gas line when we built the house, so we kind of had some issues. But we did a whole house generator. We thought that was easier than
Definitely
doing
the easiest way to
partial
get
or
power.
whatever. So we're tired of doing the little small generators, getting the food, things like that. So it's awesome. So we're excited. We probably won't lose power for a year now.
That's the way it works.
So one of the main reasons why we wanted to do the automatic transfer switch and a bigger generator was because typically when there's a bad storm, like we've had snowstorms, tornadoes.
Tornadoes and windstorms this year that have knocked down trees and power lines.
I leave. I go play. I
Yes.
go play paramedic, and Candace is stuck at home.
And typically what seems to happen is he leaves and 10 minutes later the power goes out.
True story, true story. So I always feel kind of guilty, you know, I'm trying to get on the ambulance, try to do some rescues because of the bad storms we've had with snow, things like that, and Candace is stuck at home with a kid. So doing the automatic transfer switch here with the generator there, the generator automatically kicks on as soon as it loses power, and then the transfer switch flips on.
So now instead of me going and getting the portable generator, the extension cords, the gas, dragging it all out, setting it out, I'm usually pulling the refrigerators out from the wall. I can just go, oh, power switched over.
She doesn't need me at all.
No, I'm good. Go play.
Thank you very much.
So Engineer775 on YouTube mainly does solar.
Mainly solar, anything with water and power. And you can check us out at practicalpreppers.com. Is that a shameless plug?
No, that's what we're here
good.
for.
All right, very good.
Definitely. So preparedness, you've got food on your website, you've
Food,
got water
anything
stuff,
to get
supplies.
water purification, backup power, solar, whatever you need. And consultation too on stuff that we don't have on our website.
Awesome. So go check him out. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.